Good morning, children. Welcome back to Class 1, English Grammar, Worksheet 6. Reading. Read this story. It is 8 o'clock at night. Pia is in bed. It is quiet and dark outside. Pia hears a strange noise. Hoot, hoot. Pia looks outside. She sees two big yellow eyes. She is scared. Ma, she calls. Her mother comes to her room. She asks, "What is it, Pia?" "Look there, I'm scared," says Pia. Her mother looks outside. She sees a baby owl and smiles. She says, "It's just a baby owl. It wants to say good night to you." Pia smiles and says, "Good night, little owl." The owl says, "Hoot, hoot." Complete these sentences. It is 8 o'clock in the morning or at night. At night, Pia looks outside because she hears a strange noise. Pia calls mother because she is scared. When mother sees the baby owl, she smiles. At the end of the story, Pia is not scared anymore. Grammar and words. Doing words tell us what a person or a thing does. They are also called verbs. Play, sing, etc. So, the work which the people do is called as the verb. It's called as a doing word and it is called as verb. Either it's play, sing, dance, etc. Now underline the doing words in these sentences. I drink mango juice in summer. So what is the person doing? Drinking. So drink. The mouse hides in the corner. Hides. Grandma feeds the fish every morning. Feeds. John writes letters to his grandmother. I watch cartoons on holidays. Bears sleep in winter. Look at these pictures. Choose the correct words from the box. Jumps, combs, rings, stands, sits, runs. The bird sits on the branch. Grandma combs her hair. Jeet jumps over the wall. The bell rings at 9 o'clock. The deer runs very fast. Amol stands at the bus stop. Draw lines to match the words to the correct pictures. Here, few words are given to us. Cry, hang, shout, listen, hit, read. These are the verbs. Now you can see few pictures here. What are we going to do? We should match the words to the correct pictures. So now cry. The boy is crying. You can see. Hang. The monkey is hanging. Shout. The girl is shouting. Listen. The girl is listening. The girl is reading. The boy is hitting. So we have to draw the lines and match the pictures. Practice this conversation between Rahul and Jia. You have to read this, children. Rahul. Hello, Jia. Jia. Hello, Rahul. How are you? Rahul. I am fine. Thank you. How are you? Jia. I am fine too. Thank you. Where are you going? Rahul. I am going to the market. Jia. Okay, bye. Rahul. Bye bye, Jia. Look at these pictures. Use A, E, I, O or U and complete these words. So we have to use the vowels and then we have to complete the words here in the picture given to us. B, A, T, bat. H, E, N, hen. P, A, R, K, park. M, O, U, S, C, mouse. B, I, R, D, bird. O, R, A, N, G, E, orange. Writing. Put these words in the correct order. Write the sentences below. Wakes up Pia 7 at o'clock. Pia wakes up at 7 o'clock. Full stop. Rohan to every school day walks. Rohan walks to school every day. Full stop. Of Alia spiders afraid is. Alia is afraid of spiders. Full stop. Ricky ice creams and to like Rahul eat. Ricky and Rahul like to eat ice creams. Full stop. Garden has grandma lovely a. Grandma has a lovely garden. Full stop. Window is a baby owl the outside. A baby owl is outside the window. Here the words are jumbled and given. You have to frame a correct sentence, and then the first letter should be capital, and in the ending you have to have a full stop. Hope all have understood, children. Thank you.